When I first came to Nepal after the earthquake, to see all the destruction and pain among the people. But I'm very encouraged that the people of Nepal are strong, hopeful, and strive forward. You are all the spirit of Nepal, and I congratulate all of you for that. This is your center. This is your future. Please take care of it and build the community to become a better future. Thank you so much, and congratulations. God bless you all.
See this place, you put an effort. Come, stay here and build this center. I really appreciate.
What you see today is just a small example of what can happen when we work together for the good of a community. This center has been built for no other reason but to give to this community. And it's my prayer that it will be a beacon of giving so that the community can give to one another.
So excited, about this project because this is going to help the community a lot because the plan is basically the villages, the people will work in the factory.
This corner we'll have here a hood and a flue. We'll have 2 stoves in that corner, and during the harvest time we'll cook the pears, preserve them and store them, and then throughout the year we'll produce the candy.
This is made by the pear in this factory, and this is very delicious and very tasty.
This is the computer room. So from January we'll be having computer training classes.
To be able to help so many families, so many mothers, so many children to learn skills and develop and have a better future.
We teach English, so this will be the classroom here.
The reason I'm excited is because this is a program where volunteers can come and use their skills and to really help this community of Chhaimale village.
This is the place where they come, and we have sponsored from the UK so much money to make this dream become a reality. I feel amazed to be part of this. I feel very honoured and blessed by God. I can come and help serve and help teach with the teachers here and just be part of the community. It's an absolute honour and a privilege, and I can't thank you enough.
कृष्ण मिठा राम अनि हजुरलाई कस्तो लाग्यो आजको यो
कार्यक्रम धेरै राम्रो लागिरहेको छ र यस्तो कार्यक्रम अझ पनि आओस् भन्ने हाम्रो चाहिँ मनसा छ
I will only take one thing away, and that is a love for Chhaimale in my heart.